All right, we're here with Jonathon, and we're gonna be seating his final set of teeth today. Jonathon had been searching around town trying to find an affordable solution and decided to come here. Can you tell us about that, Jonathon?
Yeah, I searched all over Utah, many dentists, a lot of pushback. Finally found the best one in Utah by far. Very happy. I couldn't be happier.
So right now you're in a temporary set of teeth, and you've had those for a couple weeks while we've been designing your final set of teeth. How's the process been with your temporary set of teeth?
It's been excellent. They've held up. Been able to use them on chew through everything. Have had no issues at all.
What's your feedback from family friends about your smile?
They love it. Everyone's like, wow, it looks great. They didn't even realize that it was just temporary teeth. They were like, wow, those look great. So it's been awesome.
So here's the model of his teeth. Here's the final arch that we're going to be putting in there. These are just going to get cemented onto his teeth like this. So he'll have a beautiful full mouth of teeth hanging onto what teeth that he has left in there. So here's Jeffrey. He's the guy that designed your teeth for you.
How's it going?
Hey man, love them, man.
Good.
I love them. Thank you so much.
Yeah, big upgrades.
Yeah, oh yeah, definite.
Well, you're in good hands. Dr. Roberts is really talented. Anybody can make your case work, he can do it.
Honestly, man, I feel he's the best in the United States, man. Let alone Utah. He's great, excellent.
And we're just gonna let him see his final teeth.
Oh man, I couldn't be happier, you guys. Thank you all so much. Thank you the most, man. I appreciate it.
You're so welcome. Yeah, he's got a numb upper lip right now. So
yeah, it's gonna be a little bit hard to smile.
But I was just asking Jonathon, so since we gave you your temporary teeth a couple weeks ago, how's your life changed?
Oh, it's been dramatic, everything, just from interacting with people to being confident, just being able to do my normal daily routine without having to cover up my smile. Big change on eating, I was barely able to eat certain foods, and mainly would stick to things that are soft, so yeah, it's been everything. Changed everything.
All right, so even with the temporary teeth, you're able to eat hard foods and...
Oh yes, no problem at all. I chewed through steak, everything, so...
No problems,
yeah.
All right, and then how about your interactions with your girlfriend, with your family?
Oh, it's been night and day. Just being able to feel confident enough to be able to interact, and smile, and just all the way from work to home. It's been huge.
Awesome. Well, we're glad that you decided to come hang out with us so we can give you your new smile.
I couldn't be, I couldn't have picked a better place, honestly, and a better dentist. Best in Utah.
I appreciate that.
Definitely.
All right, well, congrats on your new smile.
Thanks so much, man.
All right, let me get one last picture with you smiling. All right.